Welcome to the ProtoART. Be sure to like and subscribe for new content. What's up, everybody? So I wanted to demo today how to do some ADR if you're doing audio dialogue replacement and using a tool called VocALign to do so. I'm not sponsored by this company, I just enjoy their product. This could be used in film, your own personal projects, replacing dialogue for anime, or in noisy environments where you just need a cleaner recording. If you ever see action scenes in movies where people are running or wind blowing and the audio is clear, they more than likely redid it in studio. So I'll play the clip here, how my current setup is. It might take a minute for me to switch back so you can actually see me recording. So let's play the original audio so you can hear it for one. So today I'm going to demonstrate how you replace audio using VocALign. It's noisy, there's wind in the background, and it just doesn't sound so great. So I'll record the replacement dialogue and use VocALign to replace it. Here we go. So let me hear this back one more time and try to match it up as best I can. So today I'm going to demonstrate how you replace audio using VocALign. So let's play the original, and you can hear how windy the background sounds. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you replace audio using VocALign. And then the newly recorded in studio. So today I'm going to demonstrate how you replace audio using VocALign. So it's not the best match, it's pretty close. So to get it exact, you would open your Audio Suites plugin, scroll down, find VocALign Pro. So it's a very simple program. You kind of want to get the best effect I found, basically find two audio clips that are within the same length, roughly. Even if you have like edits in your audio and you have like pieces cut out here, as long as it's the same length, it should work pretty well. So you're going to choose your original audio, which will be your guide track. With guide selected, you hit capture. And it creates this audio profile showing you what you want your audio to sound like. And then you find your replacement audio, the one we just recorded. With that selected, you choose dub and you hit capture again. So now this is our replacement track that we just made and the original audio. So to sync it, all you have to do is hit this button called spot, and it's going to time stretch your newly recorded audio to try to match the original. So you can see it created a new profile trying to mimic that audio. And if we close this out, I'll toggle this before and after. So that was the before, and that was the after. And it wrote a brand new audio file on top of that. So it's not a bad idea to keep a copy of the original if ever you want to go back to it. So I'll mute the original audio, and now we can hear it with the video. So today I'm going to demonstrate how you replace audio using VocALign. So now we have our audio replaced in studio from original footage. And like I said, this could be used for various reasons, even if you're doing like student projects, or you're translating different languages and you need to match the timing. This would be ideal too. Or I've even tried to use this in a more creative way, which I'll probably do another tutorial on, using my voice to mimic the tempo of an instrument. I would kind of voice out the different sounds. I'd beatbox the beats that I had in mind, like the instrumentations, the percussion sections. And I thought, hey, why not just replace my original voice with actual instruments? So this is another way you can do that too. Just an idea. Alright, you guys, anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I will try to answer as best I can. But it's pretty straightforward. Just to recap, your original audio file, you record your brand new one in studio or a much nicer sounding environment where there's no external noises. You open VocALign, the audio suite plugin. You choose your original audio track, you make that your guide. You choose your replacement track, you make that your dub, and you choose spot, and it makes the time stretching and all the wonderfulness it does. Anyway, guys, talk to you guys soon. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay safe out there.